Hello everyone, in this video we're going to do a tutorial on how to secure your WordPress website from the malicious bad guys. And so let's say somebody is visiting your beautiful website. It's almost as lovely as mine is, most likely. And we'll go ahead and say, okay, let's say I'm a hacker and I want to break into this website and steal all your money. I'm going to go ahead and go up to your website URL and see if you're using WordPress. And I can do that in very easy steps. I just go in and I type in WP-admin. Looks like they are using WordPress. So that will be one step in the right direction for me to break in. I can also try WP-login.php. Just like 95% of the other people that are using WordPress have the same exact login page. So that is one step to breaking in. And so you want to avoid that from happening. And you can do that with a very simple plugin. So let me go ahead and log in and install this plugin. Just got to grab my password real quick. Okay, so once you are logged into your dashboard, you can go over to plugins, hit add new, and then go over to the search thing and then type in Hyde. And the very famous, popular WPS Hyde login plugin will show up. You can click install now and activate. And you're almost there. All you got to do is go down to settings and it will take you to the area where the settings are, and then you can just change your login URL. And so I'm going to change it to LS or something that's a very hidden, I guess. And you can leave your redirection URL to 404. You hit save changes. And now let's give this a try before I forget. I'm going to log out and let's try beepbap.co or your website $LS. They put a question mark and then there is your new login page. So now let's try what everybody else would try if they were trying to break into your site, WP-admin. And it just takes them to the home page or this 404 error. Let's try WP-login.php. Not found. So that is one step to reduce the chances or make it that much harder for bad guys and girls to break into your website. So that is it. Have a good day. Subscribe to the channel and visit my website if you're not already there. Have a good day.